I did it, y'all. I recorded 7 days of 1 Minute on Purpose. Now, I know you're probably thinking, for real, Talana, it's only 7 days, not 70 days. True, but either way, your girl is going to celebrate. Listen, through all the trials, errors, ups and downs, starting and growing purpose-minded woman, the most important and valuable lesson that I have learned about myself is that I need to lean into what I love. Paul in 1 Corinthians 16:14 said that all that we do should be done with love. Now, I know he was talking to the church in Corinth, right? But I feel like he's talking to me as well. I know that every action, every decision, and every interaction in my life as a Christian woman should be influenced by love. The times when I have struggled in my business was because I was doing something that was actually birthed out of necessity, confusion, even peer pressure, but not love. Love should be the foundation of our words, our work, and how we treat others. I'm rejoicing at my 7 days because I know 1 Minute on Purpose was birthed out of love. I love sharing the Word of God in short, practical moments. Today, on my 8th day of 1 Minute on Purpose, I want to encourage you to spend every single day, every single minute of every single day leaning into what you love.